Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to download images from Willow. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly what you do is just simply write the prompt that you want, as you can see right over here. So after writing the prompt, when you will get the image, now you have to upscale the image. So for that, just simply click on U1, 2, 3, 4, whichever version of image you want. So in my case, I want the second version, so it will be U2. It's going to take some time, so you should go down where the image will appear, as you can see right over here. Now after the image have appeared, all you have to do is click on it, then click on open in browser. Now a browser should pop up. So over here in the browser, just simply right click on the image, then click on save image as, then choose a location, then choose a location, click on save. Now the image is downloaded. Now you can just simply click on the image and you will have downloaded the image. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to our channel, and take care.